Good evening. It is like 5 o'clock Friday afternoon. It's the day before Obsessed Garage open house, and I currently am headed to my shop so I can do some last minute maintenance to the Golf because it's going to be a lot of driving tomorrow. I got an oil change to do, change the spark plugs, and then I have to clean the interior because the exterior I've already cleaned. Other than that though, we're going to start off this event video by doing some car guy stuff at the shop. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. In this video, I take you guys along with me, Jeff, and Kyle to Obsessed Garage Open House. And if you guys don't know what Obsessed Garage is, it's essentially a YouTube channel as well as a company that people like me who are completely and absurdly obsessed with vehicles and car care, and we give Matt Mormon lots of money to get cool things that he has sourced out. And once a year they do an open house where you get to see the whole facility and a lot of cool cars come, so I figured this would be a good event for you guys to come along with. I'm a little late as to pulling out the camera as I'm doing the servicing. Just went ahead and did the oil change, and now I'm gonna change the spark plugs out, and then should be good to clean the interior and call it a day. We should be ready for Obsessed Garage at that point. And then out here we have Kyle who's going in the 997, and then we have Jeff who's going as well in the GTI. Getting ready?
Yeah, boy.
Off today in a rough spot. It's like 6:30 a.m. I'm trying to get everything ready and wrapped around to meet everyone at the shop to drive over to Lady Lake, Florida for Obsessed Garage open house. And I just had to go by Walmart to get an SD card. Just a cheapo SD card that works because I've lost one. And I walk in and currently I can't use my debit card. I had to like do a whole thing and get all this whatever, and then they had to cancel and send me a new card. And they're like, oh, you can use Apple Pay. Except Walmart. I went to Walmart willingly for the first time in years. Now I'm trying to scram at 6:30 this morning to find an SD card because I only have one and it's only 64 gigabytes.
Harley's like an aggressive little hatch. Jesus Christ.
take you guys around. Look at this. So clean. I absolutely love this. This is probably gonna be the dream spec. Inside buying product and then coming out. I think we're gonna go eat afterwards. There's not a lot of people here because we came pretty early. A lot of times you'll see a lot of cars roll in a little bit after it starts. There was a couple of Porsches, as you guys saw. They went to Matt Mormon's house to go check it out. I got to meet with Kyle. Kyle used to own the Spectrum Viper Green Golf R, the Mark 7.5, and now he has that beautiful blue Mark 5 R32. Awesome story with that. But you guys haven't seen any footage of that yet, let alone any cars that were starting to roll in whenever I was recording that clip. So how about we get some B-roll music going and show you guys some sweet cars. You good to go to Chili's?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to Chili's. Cops check coming in, loud and clear. Alright, so we're finished up at the Seth's garage and gonna pretty much call it a day there. Everyone was so hungry and the drive over here was fun enough, so we just kind of made a whole trip out of it. We just ate at Chili's, called it a day. Alright, so it's currently like 7 a.m. I just got done driving an hour and a half from Oviedo, Florida back to Lakeland. I'm actually on my way to Tyler's shop to keep working on this A91 Supra. Bro, this fog. Oh my gosh. Can't see anything. Here at Tyler's shop now to kind of finish up on the Supra. I know at least for me, I've been going to the Obsessed Garage open. Is that something on my lens? So I've been going to Obsessed Garage open house probably I think for the last 3 years, give or take. And it's always an amazing experience. These people are the most nicest, most genuine individuals with like the pinnacle of perfection when it comes to vehicles. No matter if it's their garage setup, their cars, their business, their products, whatever the case may be, it's never a disappointment, it's always fun. If you guys are anywhere near the Central Florida area, whenever Obsessed Garage Open House happens, usually the end of February, beginning of March every year, I highly recommend coming. The people there are so nice, and I have to say, out of all the cars there, my favorite was Kyle's Mark V R32. If you guys don't know Kyle, Kyle works with Obsessed Garage. He has for quite a long time. I believe he does the garage design division, something like that. I've known him for a little bit now, amazing guy. It is clean, 78,000 miles, probably my favorite car at the event, and just so cool, man. I'll link his Instagram down below, as well as link everything else with Obsessed Garage, because it is just an amazing company to see and experience. Anyways, I'm here with the A91 Supra. We're gonna be finishing some stuff up today on this car. Other than that, I mean, that's it, guys. If you like the video, leave a like, and you know, if you like cars, subscribe. Okay, goodbye. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Like the video, subscribe.